My heart burns when I choose to remain silent. My pain is so strong that the defiant storm is trying to crush me, and my faith is tested. How can I love without pleasing Allah, the Almighty? How can I love without sabr? And that love is always shown in your deed, not your word that you may try to mislead. Oh, sovereign one, indeed after hardship comes ease. My soul bears the sabr my heart carries. When you see me, it's all written on my face. But women are women, we crave to feel loved. What a beautiful moment when one has to restrain, patient, forbear and persevere. You know, we think of marriage as abuseless deal when the real sunnah is covered by a grade. Oh, single Muslim, how modest are you? How modest are you? Look at your friends. What kind of friends are they? Telling you not to get married? Telling you to have girlfriends? Telling you not to be patient? Subhanallah. What are you gonna say when you're gonna stand in front of Allah? But they stayed away from haram just to keep it halal. And today, they are married. How beautiful it is. A gift from Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, your Habibi, half of your deen. That permanent face that glitters when he meets mine. That permanent heart, that permanent soul. How could they complain? Not already tired, saying now your goodbyes. You hoped and prayed to Allah and never disobey. And now, the long-awaited dua is now answered. Line your deen together, cherish it with the one you're with, because it's you, Allah, and the other. A sunnah which brings a believer closer forever till Jannah.